Turbo family, hope you guys are having an amazing day. It is your favorite Turbo YouTuber. Well, at least I hope I am, because I've been covering Turbo every single day, even through the bearish momentum that we've been having the last couple months until where we are right now, guys, where we've seen some great pumps come in. And although the price might seem a little stagnant compared to a lot of other meme coins right now, I promise you this is a good time to accumulate. Obviously, not financial advice, but listen, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I talk about Turbo literally every single day without fail. I mean, guys, you could fact check me on that. Go back through the channel and see if I missed a day. Listen, with that being said, I really do hope that you guys are enjoying. If you are subscribed, hit the bell and like today's video so that you show YouTube you still care about crypto content. And with that being said, guys, let's hop into today's video. Now, wait, I didn't, okay, there we go. Don't know what I was doing there, but in the last month, Turbo kind of just moving stagnant, not too much going on. I agree. There's a lot of other meme coins right now that are making people a lot more money, right? Notably, some of the videos that I've been covering. But guys, here is a smart thing to do. Turbo, in my humble opinion, I think it's a blue chip meme coin, right? So with a lot of the profits that I'm making on some of my other meme coins, you better believe, guys, that some of those profits are rolling into Turbo, because at this price point right now, just back to previous all-time highs is a 2x. And as Ethereum starts to rally in price, right, as Ethereum dominance starts to increase, you're going to see plays like this have its run. Right now, guys, the low market cap plays are taking over, but when more money flows into Ethereum, that is when the higher market cap plays, such as Turbo, is going to shine and it's going to have its day. Trust me on that, right? Because I'm telling you guys, I was seeing the same thing during these times, right? The 201, the 2001 8 times when nobody else wanted to accumulate, right? When literally, guys, I was telling all the people watching, hey, Turbo is looking like a good buy. Turbo is looking like a good entry right now. When nobody else wanted to accumulate, the people that were, they are happy right now, right? Because you were getting Turbo, guys, borderline $100 million market cap. If you know where it's been in the last couple months, right, getting very close to $1 billion market cap, and you believe how far Turbo is going to go in this bull run, then you even accumulating at 350 million is still a very good price. Now, in the last month, right, Turbo rose up to about, I want to say, around $430 million market cap. You're at a little bit of a discount right now, guys, okay? The amount of the holders for Turbo going up slowly but surely. You can see 55,200. It has been growing at a very good rate. Listed on literally every single exchange that you could think of. The thing is, guys, a lot of other meme coins that are coming out, they are learning from Turbo's success. They want to be what Turbo is. And I'm telling you guys, right, Turbo, a 5 to 10 cent Turbo is still something that I'm confident that we will see. So if you guys are part of the Turbo community and you're like, you know what, this thing hasn't moved, this thing hasn't been doing anything right now, it's boring, that's great. These are good times, I'm telling you, because when it's boring, when people leave the project, when they're, kind of like, oh, there's better things over there, the grass is greener on the other side, that is when you guys should be accumulating. Obviously, guys, I can't stress this enough, but it's not financial advice. This is only what I've been doing. Here's the crazy part, though. While Turbo is moving stagnant, you could make more money in other projects and then roll those funds in. And honestly, guys, we have been crushing it over in our private Discord. One of our students has gone on to make $20,000 this past month just from following our buy and sell alerts. Now, obviously, past profit never guarantees future results, but let me actually just show you guys. So you know that, I'm not just saying that, right? You can see here in our Flex Our Gains chat, right here, right? Right here, ended up exiting most of my Brock bag, left a tiny moon bag, bought 1,500 at the bottom, and now I've exited 5,500. I'll probably buy thousands Brock if it retraces, but I'm happy with these profits. I want to solidify my blue chips. Appreciate the call, and you boys just hit 20K in profit this month after Baby Toshi and broke calls by YouTube Cryptos funds. FYI, 20K is about the average yearly salary in Estonia. Now, I'm speechless at that, right? I just let the proof is in the pudding. Literally, guys, if you want to join, be a part of a community, be a part of people who will hold you accountable, make those profits to roll it into blue chips such as Turbo. Hey, you know where it is. Links in the description. Now, again, basically sitting at that same support area that we've been in since the 22nd of April. We've been trading in this zone, guys. And quite frankly, just like all of you, I am very tired as well. But what I am seeing right now, guys, is a little bit of a wedge here that is tightening up, okay? I don't know if you guys are able to see that as well. Let me kind of draw another line here. This is kind of what I'm seeing right now, guys. Obviously, this It's a little bit sloppy, but you guys more or less get the idea. Obviously, it would look a little bit better in the hourly time frame. But what I do expect to see, guys, is a break towards the upside. And we'll probably fly by this 206 level and make our way to that 207 mark. If you guys are holding Turbo, trust me, patience goes a long way. Now, Turbo family, one thing I do want to emphasize is that you guys go follow Turbo over on X, because honestly, it's one thing to hear from me, but it's another to get it straight from the frog's mouth. Now, here's the cool part, guys. I feel like we haven't done a Spaces in a while. Hosting a Turbo community Spaces with some legends. Freeman Finance, Black Tiger Miner, and King Turn, plus others. We'll also have community members come up to chat about Turbo. If you want to get involved, go and send a DM. Now, obviously, guys, Freeman Finance, Black Tiger Miner, huge in the Turbo space. If you guys want to tune into a Spaces, I think they should be doing that very, very soon. Go ahead and check that out. Turbo USD in the last 4-hour time frame. On the short term, Turbo is forming a falling wedge. A breakout to the upside could signal a long opportunity, while a downside break might open the door for shorts. I remain bullish on Turbo in the long term, but I'll wait for a clear breakout to determine short-term direction. This is kind of what I've been marking off as well, guys, just in the hourly. This is the daily, just a little bit more zoomed out. Let me know what you guys think. Or sorry, this is the 4-hour time frame. What am I talking about? I really do think, guys, that a break towards the upside should happen, especially considering that, Ethereum and Bitcoin are holding up pretty well. We have seen Bitcoin dump to 107K, but listen, it's not the end of the world. It's $107,000. Fear and greed index still at 68. So I'm not worried. People who sold Turbo in Q1 of 2025 be pulling up in their rinky dinky whip that they bought with all their losses. Imagine Turbo at 69 cents. What would you tell yourself? Congratulations or well done. I totally agree, guys. You're going to see a lot of people, especially when Turbo hits a penny, kind of just soar into the markets when you really should be accumulating at this price point. But hey, that's just market psychology. That's just how humans work. And at the end of the day, guys, the ones that are here during the period that it's boring are the ones who are going to go on to make a lot of money. Now, one thing I do want to say, fellas, is if you do want to know my buy and sell alerts, there's a link to the Memecoin mastery down in the description below. Honestly, it's cheaper than buying a cup of coffee every single day, and we genuinely might be raising prices because the value we provide is actually insane. But with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. I'm only here to entertain and educate you guys. And if that's happened, then hey, I have done my job. Now, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, please subscribe, hit the bell, and like the video so that you show YouTube you still care about crypto. Also, 15K, we just hit it recently. Thank you guys for the love and the support. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you guys. Jesus loves you. And yeah, peace out. Take care, guys.